Bonjour à tous. Let's have a look at the indefinite articles. Article indéfini. So in French, we have three types of articles. Article défini, article indéfini and article partitif. So the definite article talks about the definite nouns like I have the car. I know which particular car I am talking about. Article indéfini, it talks about the nouns which are not specific. I have a car. And article partitif, it talks about uncountable nouns. If you don't know how to use the definite articles in French, then please click on the link above and you'll be good to go. Alright. So in English, when we talk about the indefinite articles, we have a and an. And how do we place these articles? We place these articles on the basis of whether our noun is starting with a vowel or if it is starting with a consonant. If our noun is starting with a vowel, we use an, and if our noun is starting with a consonant, we use a. So, a car, an apple, a box. Okay. Now, what about French? How are we going to place the indefinite articles in French? So, in French, we place our indefinite articles on the basis of whether our noun is masculine in gender or if it is feminine in gender, or if our noun is plural in number. If it is going to be masculine in gender, we are going to use a, un, a. If it is feminine in gender, we use yun, une, yun. And if it is plural in number, we use they. Irrespective of whether it is masculine or feminine, we are going to use they for all the plural nouns. And what are nouns? Name, place, animals and thing. A sack. It is masculine in gender, thus we are going to use the masculine indefinite article a. A crayon, a stylo, a ami. Here we are talking about a male friend and thus we are going to use our masculine indefinite article a. In case of feminine singular, une pomme, une voiture, une ami. Here we are talking about a female friend and thus we are going to use the feminine indefinite article une. Talking about the plural nouns, des sacs, des pommes, des amis. Here, all our nouns are plural in number. Thus, we are going to use the plural indefinite article that is they. Très bien. Now, let's have a look at this small exercise and see if you can figure out which article will go along with these nouns. The first one is piscine. It's ending in E. It's going to be feminine in gender. Thus, une piscine. If you don't know how to determine the gender, then again, click on the link above and you'll be good to go. Crème. Ending in E. Feminine in gender. Une crème. École. It is ending in S. Thus, it's going to be plural in number. Des écoles. Des écoles. Voisin. It is masculine in gender, thus a voisin. Chaise. It's ending in E. It's going to be feminine in gender, thus we are going to use une along with it. Une chaise. The last one, avion. It's masculine in gender, thus we are going to use the masculine indefinite article, un avion. Très bien. If you like the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. Merci.